Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, Alhamdulillah, this is Sabeel Ahmed. I am in Houston, Texas, and we just had a mosque open house. And I'm here with two of the attendees, David and Susie, right? And we just want to find out when they came here, met the Muslims, ate the wonderful food, what is their feedback? Maybe you can start with you.
Yeah, I thought the food was excellent. I really enjoyed the program. Gave a good overview of Islam, better than you get when you watch the news or anything like that. And I thought it was a great way to get together and meet with our Muslim brothers. Okay.
So do you have a better perception of Islam and Muslims now, I guess?
Oh yes, definitely. I mean, I had a good perception anyway. But
Wonderful. And our sister Susie is here.
Well, I appreciated the warm welcome and the hospitality. Everybody has been most welcoming. I also appreciated a chance to get information about some things that are frequently misrepresented, like Sharia law.
So what did you learn about that? 1 second.
That it is not a threat to America.
Right. So we say that, Islam is not a threat, it's a blessing. Same thing for the Sharia law, by the way.
Absolutely. And the distinction between local custom and what is actually in Sharia law was helpful.
Thank you. That's a really good feedback. And
ask Don to come up.
yeah, Don, why don't you come here too? We just
The important thing is that we need to be able to go away from here feeling more comfortable about saying, if you've got some kind of fearful thing to our friends, if you're fearing Muslims for some reason, come along with me and let's let you meet some Muslims who are going to show you there is not anything to fear.
good. So how can you fear someone when you don't know someone?
Exactly.
Right? That's the main message.
Oh, that's easy to do. That's way too easy to do. Muslims are good people. We met them, we know them, and we want you to come and know them and appreciate the fact that they are good people.
And you have, all of you, some gift bags there. What is in the gift bag, by the way?
Oh, I think I have a Quran.
Literature.
I hadn't even looked into it yet.
All right. So you have a lot of information here. You have a copy of the translation of the Quran. And then I think there are two books. One of the books speaks about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, his life, his noble example, and top 50 questions.
Great that they had it.
The henna painting was right up first thing I did when I got here, and I really appreciate it. And I appreciate the volunteers who took care of that.
All right. Looks very good. It's unique, by the way. All right.
Sure,
Again.
they appreciated having a larger canvas to work on.
All right. Again, thanks for coming.
Okay.
Feel free to ask questions. Come to the mosque over here, and let's see how we can live as brothers and sisters by worshiping the same Creator.